Welcome back. Today we're going to go over step 22 of the 28-point air conditioning tune-up and system rejuvenation. Step number 22 is condenser fan motor and fan blade calibration. So we're going to be checking this thing to make sure that we've got airflow coming out the top, not out the bottom or the sides. We're going to be making sure that the fan blade's balanced, that the motor is drawing the correct amount of amperage for its individual use, making sure that all the bolts that are underneath here that hold the fan motor to the shroud are all nice and tight and everything's doing exactly what it's supposed to. Time and again, we go to an air conditioner and we see that these bolts got wiggled loose because the fan blade wasn't balanced. The fan motor drops out and the fan bounces around inside this cooling or the condenser coil, and it just destroys the whole unit. That's not something we want to happen. So simply by doing a tune-up and getting this done, we can protect the whole inside of this unit and make the system run more efficiently and last longer. Super important to get your air conditioning tune-up done and then follow it up with a continued maintenance program. See you on the next video.